If Windows is throwing errors, this DISM command repairs the corrupted files causing it. One command, one fix. Hit Start, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, click Yes on the prompt. You'll get a black window with a blinking cursor. Type this exactly: DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. That's DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Hit enter. You'll see it start scanning. It'll show a percentage climbing. This takes between 5 and 20 minutes depending on your PC, so let it run completely. Don't close the window. When it's done, you'll see the restore operation completed successfully. That's Windows telling you the corruption is gone. Restart your PC. Run the DISM command again after a major Windows update. If errors come back, it's the same fix every time. If you still get errors after this, I've got an SFC video linked. Run that next. Drop a comment saying fixed. If you're still seeing errors, paste the exact message and I'll help you from there.